Photo shoots, immersive art ba ang hanap mo? Don't you worry, cause I got you, ka-foodies! Tada! Welcome to Art in Island! So, meron silang promo kapag walk-in and dun ka nagbayad, free yung birthday pass mo. But then, sa regular, 850 yung fee nila sa entrance. You can book via Klook. So, mababawasan ng 10%. Depende dun sa hawak mong coupon. Tara, let's mga ka-foodies! Sino ka dyan? Ito yung second area. Yung fishes, yung team until dun sa next bago mag-forest. So, kasama pa rin yan dun. Remember ka-foodies to bring your own sacks kasi sayang pa yung ibabayad nyo. So, ito yung second area kung saan forest inspired naman. And then, ito na yung sa pang-apat na part, yung dark art. Ito yung tema niya, mga Philippine mythologies, places, at kung ano-ano pa. Basta emote ka lang ka-foodies. Hinahabol ko yung bird, ang bagal ng videographer. Save for the angel ang person. Nilalandi niya yung falling water. Ay, sayang. Akala ko siya yung nilalandi. Char lang. Yung nakikinig niya talaga yung real na audio nila. So, madalas mga ka-foodies, may pila talaga yung tao and you need to wait for your turn. So, emote-emote ka lang habang nanonood. Feeling photoshoot, ganun. Video recording. Buti na lang introvert ang person. Haha, sa kabalinto na. Buti na lang madami akong coat. So, best talagang suotin yung plain white or plain black. Or kung marami kang coat, change it. Kasi dun sa dark art, neon art, naglo-glow yung color white. So, ganda yon. Ganda yun. Eto, I'm so proud of myself. I really wasn't looking. I was just emoting. Pero hindi ko kita what was being projected. Buti na lang, sabay talaga siya. Ang ganda. Diba? So, the kalimbahin flower. Or guava, pwede rin. Kasi yun naman yung roots ko. Galing ta timing yun. Oh, pak, sakto. Yes, Kuya Brando, huwag ka nang maisip. Birthday pass, libre yan. Ayun no, for the dandelions ng person. Happy year! Wishing on dandelions that one day you'll be mine. San ka na, love? This one is the shadow art. Emote and move with the beat. Healing the inner child in me. Ang ganda.
Halika rito, sumugal ka ng 10 minuto.
Say naman sa 10 minuto. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. That will be all. Ta-ta!